Hey everybody, got some parts in. I was going to do an unboxing or attempt to do this anyway. I'm going to try and got me some stuff to do the seals on the doors and stuff, so we're going to open this up. And I've already forgotten my knife, but I'll go ahead and get y'all turned around here and we'll see if we can do this without any blades. Probably going to have to get one because I've got these two boxes and this big old giant box here. That big giant box is part of the cargo, or is the cargo area where you put your luggage and stuff at. I told you I needed to replace. I ended up ordering it again, but let's open this up and see what all we got here. Ended up ordering all this from J-Bugs. I guess I got a good deal. Yeah, I don't know. But parts I had to have, parts I needed. And these go into the top of the door hinges, which I destroyed mine. Oh, these go into the door itself to hold the door panels on, which I've already got because I'd ordered some time ago. I think that's the little stops for the door. The hinge that catches the switches for the light switch or the door jamb switch, and the video how to install all this stuff. Yeah, all kind of goodies in here. Yeah, we got tons and tons and tons of stuff. Oh wow, I didn't know that the door handle seals are in this. Several things in here I had no clue. The covers for the bolts for the hinges. Yeah, there's all kind of goodies in here. Alright, that's a kind of a win-win there. Got more than I thought I was going to. This helps a lot when you read the description sometimes. Let's see, this should be my scrapers and all that. I just hope they're not bent to Hades and back. Oh yeah, they look good. Look real good. Whew. Thank the Lord. Oh, it's everything. I don't know if y'all can see it in the video, but and then the channels for in the doors. I think there's supposed to be probably more in that other box for that, or everything didn't come. I don't know. I need to go through my checklist, see what all I didn't get, because I just made one order and spent a lot more money than I really intended to. But let's angle this camera back up a little bit here. Sorry for my inadequate filming abilities, but I do what I can. Oh man. Woo. Big old box. Can you still see me? Oh yeah, you can. I don't want to, but you can still see me. Whoa. That's googly. We'll take this one up pretty dang good. Act like this thing was made out of glass or something. Holy smokes. I'll give them credit, at least they taped it up good. grandson's gonna have some fun with all this bubble wrap. Here, a little bubble wrap. You're right. Get this cuddly over here. At least one of their shippers put forth the effort to make it safe on the journey. I guess it's the only thing that's in the box other than bubble wrap and more bubble wrap. Wow, hey, guess what? More bubble wrap. I guess the good thing about this is it looks pretty straight, so yeah. Not all beat up to Hades in back. That's amazing. For all of you that have seen some of my earlier videos, I had actually ordered this once already. It went like 5 or 6 months and it never ever would show up. And finally I just canceled it, and it's probably been close to a year now since I ordered this piece. But I just ordered this a couple of weeks ago. There are some differences I can see already from this one to what mine is. There's some bolts here, or studs sticking through, and then there's some studs sticking through the back, and then studs sticking up here, and then down in the front here that I don't have. So I'm not sure the purpose on that. If somebody can leave that in the comments why that's that way. And then there's a piece that goes across here that I have to weld on. I see some little differences. There's a little bit of difference here, the way this runs. I'm gonna have to look at it really good. But it should work. I should be able to piece it in there. Better be able to, because if not, I'm gonna be really pissed. But she looks alright. It might be a little out of whack on this piece here. Everything looks pretty good though. I'll get her done. Looks like I need to go through the parts catalog, the parts here, my parts. Ventilating the stuff I got on this, and see if everything's here that I've ordered. And guess what? It never fails. Oh. I got decals. Haven't seen these. These are new. New to what I've got anyway. Maybe I'll put them on Volkswagen. We'll just have to wait and see. Kind of see what this says. This is supposed to be window sill left. I guess that's all the vent window. That's for the vent. For the driver's side. But yeah, oops, sorry, I'm not even showing it to you. But at least they did. Got some tags on them for me. And this here is going to be the door sills themselves. Looks like for both doors. These pieces are the Brazilian ones. There are some of the German pieces in here also. But yeah. I want everybody kind of see it and look at it, and I did do a little bit. I've been, let's see here, I have been sanding, wet sanding on the door, trying to get everything, all the orange peel out. Pretty smooth, as you can see right now. There's still a few little dots here and there, but I'm gonna do some go up to the 2000 grit now, and I've even got a 3000 grit. Watched several different videos about it, and a lot of people do it different ways. I'll have to cover everything up once I start using the buffing compound, because the buffing compound, when it slings up on the matte black, it doesn't like it very well. It kind of stays there, and this right here is just clear coat. All this is where I've been sanding, so it just washes off really easy. But the that buffing compound, and it sticks to this matte black really easy. But this is the only door I've got done so far, and worked on it for a little while. So just started off with the 600, kind of knock it down a little faster, you know, go from there. And I may just, as smooth as it is, I may go ahead and just go 2000, and then I said do the 2000 and then just do the buffing compound, so I don't want to go crazy and take too much of my clear off, even though I put like four or five good coats on there, so I should have plenty to take down. But Lord knows I don't want to have to do this again. I'll keep y'all posted, and stay safe, and keep working on your projects and get over the hump. I know it's tough, because I've had my days where I didn't want to do anything to it. I come out here and look at it and go, nope, not today. But do what you can when you can, and it eventually gets done. God bless, peace, and roll tide.